So here we are in our bee area, making a chicken coop. Sawing through an old shed door that we found up in Edinburgh. That's going to become the hatch to collect the eggs. This is what we've done so far. Got the frame for the run, we need some more support rails. And this is one almost complete side. The door is going to go in the bottom there, where we're going to access the eggs. This is, apart from the frame, all of this is just reclaimed wood. You know, obviously this one's a little bit rotten, but actually doesn't matter. It's supported from the inside, and it's going to all have felt on it. Looking good.
He's carrying your tools, Daddy.
Daddy, I'll bring those to Dad. No! Okay.
Hammer then.
Yeah.
Go find the hammer then.
Good job. Hello.
A little chica.
Hello. Hello. You're so cute. You saying cheese too? Are you getting 2 chicks? 2. And another one's got its beak sticking out. It's tipped somewhere. And it's peeping too. Hey!
Where you make it? Nom nom nom. This is.
Baby mustn't touch the light.
Okay. It's not for them to eat, Gideon.
Proud chick owners! Yay! Little chickens! The little baby chickens! Lovely little chickens! This big one rather, the big one, is a gift from a friend who's also, she started incubating 5 days before us, so it's 5 days older. And this one actually we got given because our ones weren't really eating or drinking. And this one has taught it how to do that, and we get to keep it. It's actually meant to be a booster, so a cockerel. So otherwise unwanted. Oh, bit of tape on this one, you can see, and that tape does be all uncomfortable for the chick. Is it stops its legs getting too wide, because unfortunately this one started to have splayed legs, which means the leg starts to get too wide.
One of our chicks likes grass, and I'm going to see which one.
Amazing. So we're setting our chickens free inside our new chicken coop that we built ourselves. Oh. What's this one's name, love?
Peck Tractor.
Pekka Tractor, there you go. Wow.
Surely that might be Jemima Puddle Hen.
Jemima Puddle Hen.
That might be. Yeah, that's Jemima Puddle Hen. There you go. Oh, they're happy.
Happy
Yay.
eating grass. Nice. Cuddling chicks.
Hey,
cheeky chicks.
yeah.
Just going to